Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thị Kim Phượng. Today I would like to show you how to fix error 61060. The date is not convertible. Please correct when you execute MD04. This video I will show you step by step how to check it and how to correct it. Let's get started. First of all, we will need to know the detailed errors, how the error is appear. This is the screen of MD04. You enter the material and also plant. And after enter, you will see the error like this. And when you double click on the error, it will show you the detail of the error like this. With the main signal is 61060. When you press on the icon, it will show you the technical information of the error. This is a message data, and this is a program data with the main program, with the include function, and also the line where the error appear. When you press on the line, you can see like this. This is the line where the error appear. This is function where the factory date is calculated with factory calendar ID, and you need to place a breakpoint to know how it appear. After place a breakpoint, you can see the FK day 4946, and with the factory calendar IDs is VE. So this means we need to check the factory calendar in the next line. Why the value is calculated? What issue related to the factory calendar VE? This is a screen of SCAL, SAP Calendar. This is a screen of the T code, and you press on factory calendar and you press on display. In the list, you need to press on the ID and you press on the calendar. And in here, you can see the years you already is 2027 with the day is 4124 day. And as you can see, the mark number for the years 2027 is 4385. So this means the number is smaller than the value appear in the error. It is 4946. So we need to know how the value is calculated. The next slide I will show you how to check further why the value 4946 appear. In the APAP screen tag, you choose the form near the factory date to date. And as you can see, FK days plot good MTWZT. And you can see that this have value 999. So we need to know what the meaning of the variable MTWZT. This is screen I will show you how to know what the meaning of the data type MTWZT. You can use SE11. You enter the data type and press display. And this is a description of the data element. This is material replacement lead time. And as you can see, material replacement lead time will be equal to in-house production time with procedure type EE. This means that material is in-house production, and it will equal to plant delivery time if the material is buy with the procedure type EF. This slide I will show you how to fix it. As you can see, this is a screen of MD03. In the MRP2, you can see the in-house production with the value we will already see in the debug mode. If you want to fix this, you need to change the values with the value that's lower. So this is all for the set today. I have several videos talk about SAP issue, you can check here. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.